Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Jira. If you spend a lot of time managing projects or tracking tasks in Jira, switching to dark mode can make your workspace so much more comfortable, especially during those late-night work sessions. By the end of this quick walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to switch Jira into dark mode, giving your eyes a well-deserved break and making your interface look sleek and modern. Let's dive right in. So let's get started by opening up Jira. If you're already logged in, just head to your dashboard or any screen you usually see when working on issues or tracking tickets. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and sign in with your usual account. This step might sound obvious, but I like to point it out because some people end up adjusting settings within an open ticket and get lost. So it's best to start from the main workspace. Once you're in, you'll notice that everything still has that default, brighter theme, which honestly can get a little harsh on the eyes, especially if you work long hours or switch between other dark-themed apps. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You're going to see your profile icon. It might just be your initials or maybe a photo if you've uploaded one. Clicking your profile icon is the key to accessing your personal settings in Jira. Give it a click. When you do, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Take your time here. It's easy to get a bit overwhelmed because there are quite a few options, but you're looking specifically for the one labeled theme. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Sometimes it's tucked a little further down, depending on your Jira version or organizational settings. Once you spot theme, go ahead and select it. Selecting your theme basically tells Jira, hey, I want to personalize how my workspace looks. This is really useful if you want your Jira to stand out, or if you switch between light and dark modes depending on the time of day or your preference. When you tap on the theme option, you should see a few different choices pop up, usually things like light, dark, and sometimes a system or automatic option. Here, you'll want to click on dark. As soon as you do, Jira will update its interface to a deep, soothing dark palette. This can take a second or two, so don't worry if there's a quick flicker or if things adjust gradually. That's totally normal. And there you have it. The brightness is turned down, the interface looks way more modern, and best of all, your eyes can relax a bit during those long Jira sessions. Using dark mode can even reduce eye strain. Much like dimming the lights in a theater helps you focus better on the screen. If you ever want to switch back to the light theme, just repeat these steps and select light instead. Sometimes organizations lock down certain look and feel settings, so if for some reason you don't see the theme option, you might need to ask your Jira admin if dark mode is available in your current version. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to enable dark mode in Jira and give your workspace a refresh. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you have any questions or if something doesn't look quite right on your end, just drop a comment below. I always try to help out where I can. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.